we will be covering the Electronic Common Technical Document, also known as eCTD, as well as publishing and electronic submissions. This presentation will discuss the more technical and logistical side of agency submissions, as the process is well defined across multiple agencies with multiple specific steps. In this presentation, we'll begin by discussing the eCTD itself, starting with its history, structure, and format, as well as briefly going through its individual modules. Following that, I'll walk you through the electronic publishing process, including our software, compilation process, and validation. Finally, the formal submission to FDA will be used as an example for submitting to an agency using their Electronic Submission Gateway or ESG portal, as well as discussing what FDA acknowledgement receipts you'll receive after your submission is completed. Let's talk about the format of an eCTD application itself in a more practical sense. So, first and foremost, a CTD application is considered a living document. That means for each submission sequence, instead of standing on its own, these iterate upon the full application, which is stored on the agency's servers. The structure of the CTD digitally uses what are called leaves and nodes, where nodes are the ICH numbered sections of the CTD, and leaves are the documents specifically held within that node. You'll note in this picture that you can also create subnodes or subfolders of a node in order to become more granular with your format. Now, leaves are usually PDF files which we optimize to be FDA compliant. However, each agency does provide a list of acceptable file types for the CTD.
Awesome, great stuff. Speaking of INDs, how does PACE handle large submissions, such as an IND?
So INDs are a huge undertaking. I would say that on average, even if a sponsor comes to us with their full document package ready to go, processing, formatting, optimizing, then publishing these documents can be in the span of months. So we have a project management process with internal checks and balances to make sure that, one, all documents are content final, provided, complete, and present, and two, that our team is actually working alongside you to make sure that these are properly optimized, hyperlinked in the publishing software, as well as submitted in a timely manner. So this requires a lot of review and a lot of communication with clients.